Dogecoin, Doge in every practical sense, is a mineable coin that by and large is presently exchanged at $0.061510 per unit. With the market capitalization of $8,679,893,999, that for the most part makes it a mid-position digital currency, or so the by and large thought. Computerized resources like Dogecoin explicitly have currently basically turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for most certainly huge institutional financial backers, who especially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a very compelling fence against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a quite enormous manner. Thusly, having basically a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto sort of is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any merchant and financial backer who for the most part needs to by and large develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, or so they truly thought. Yet, with it comes the need to intently fundamentally follow the advancements on the expressed market, to grasp the kind of current circumstance, and sort of have some feeling representing things to come, which is genuinely huge. This Dogecoin cost expectation model in every way that really matters was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, for the most part track down the best coins or tokens to basically put resources into and explicitly keep the value bend developing. However, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin investigation and cost forecast, we might want to really help you to remember the genuinely fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and venture, or so they for the most part thought. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its genuinely current standings, as well as the midterm and kind of long-haul cost forecast that truly depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, which generally is genuinely critical. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin remains at $0.061510, and this specific advanced resource really stands firm on the 8th footing in the worldwide digital money positioning. For prettier data, the all things considered positioning of each and every cryptographic money really is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and basically is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Likewise, to in a real sense get a by and large better especially handle of the market circumstance and grasp the truly broad bearing of the pattern, or to generally enroll its non-appearance. It's additionally critical to essentially break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Incredibly, yesterday, on September 21st, the cost of Dogecoin sort of remained at $0.062631 at the end of the sort of everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.04% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost 7 days prior, on September 15th. The Dogecoin market commonly remained at $0.062066 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0%, comparable to its by and large present standing. A month prior, on August 22nd, Dogecoin was evaluated at $0.062593, which certainly corresponded with our cost expectation for that essentially specific period, which generally is very huge. Contrasted with the extremely present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 1.73% cost move, which in a real sense is very huge. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost gauge certainly depends on the appearances of CVIX, which is genuinely huge. However, to in every practical sense, figure out the truly generally especially capability of Dogecoin, or any all things considered, other cryptographic money besides, it's essential to generally consider the cost variances, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource. At the point when it by and large comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves significantly more as a mark of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly generally speaking notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, or so they in every way that really matters thought. It is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense complete number of coins that certainly are as of now available for use, coursing supply, by the really current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by essentially remains at $0.061510, or so they sort of thought. Considering that recipe, we have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $8,679,893,999, which legitimizes its place as the eighth coin among those present on the cryptographic money market in a huge manner. Yesterday, on September 21st, the market capitalization of Dogecoin by and large remained at $8,836,655,990. Keep going week. On September 15th, the exceptionally aggregate sum of commonly capital dedicated to Dogecoin most certainly was laid out at $8,750 when $856,684. The information from a month prior, enrolled on August 22, truly shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $8,806,844,430 in a really significant manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that especially have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and sort of are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders in every practical sense, cold wallets in a kind of significant way. It compares with the very best estimation of the in every practical sense, generally number of coins that are public on digital money trades and basically add to their liquidity in an unobtrusive manner. Their volume doesn't basically incorporate the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in truly savvy contracts, secured in advance wallets, or in a real sense, put unavailable for general use. Or so they truly thought. The flowing stockpile by and large is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange. At this moment, the circling supply of Dogecoin fundamentally is assessed at 141, 114, 416, 384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can sort of assist one with, in a real sense, deciding all things considered, better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that, as per the principles of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently certainly happen at the cost levels that really are joined by generally beautiful high volume, since those in every way that really matters are the volumes where huge cash had come into generally play in a genuinely significant manner. As indicated by our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market by and large